Hi there, my name is Yolanda and this is Frog's Little Tale. And this is how I began my story after 50. And so one of the things I did was that I launched a business on May 5th of this year after I had had what I called a lightning strike 90 days earlier. It really was a profound healing for me, and I'm here to tell you that it has changed my life completely, and I have taken things step by step. So, what I'm here to do today is to celebrate the fact that I created and launched my first workshop. It was my first time ever facilitating a workshop on Zoom. I haven't trained anybody in over 20 years. So it's really been an exciting project for me to take from creating the seeds of the workshop to facilitating it on Monday night and everything in between, from marketing it to recording it to all the technical parts of it, putting it up on YouTube. Like, it has been amazing. So here I am today, and I want to talk a little bit about how it went. So it was exciting. So I created this workshop for people who are trying to start their lives over in middle age, either with a new career, a new business, new goals for finances, new goals for relationships, new goals for love, new goals for health, new goals for spiritual growth. So it really is for people who want to grow. This tool helps you plant the seeds. So you come in inspired. I know that there's a lot of inspired people out there looking for a tool that will help plant the seeds for them. So this tool is called Ask Better Questions, Create a Better Life. And it takes you through an explanation of your conscious and subconscious mind, your reticular activating system, neurolinguistic programming language that helps us write exalted questions, and then implanting those exalted questions through either meditation, mirror work, journaling, or mindful mark making. So it really is an incredible tool. One of the reasons it's incredible is that when we ask a question, our mind acts like a Google search and brings back proof of what we are trying to achieve, proof of the results that we are getting in our life, proof that we are going in the right direction. So when we get that proof, it motivates us and it creates a feedback loop that we get the proof, we get motivated. We get motivated, there is more proof. And so it cycles and it feeds off of itself in a way that keeps us going, and it keeps us moving in the right direction, which is up, like a bloom, like growth, up. I conduct a workshop so that you leave with 5 exalted questions of your own to implant in any way that you like to do, whatever your process is, to pray or meditate or journal or express yourself or do your mirror work, do any tool that you need. But these exalted questions are an incredible way to exponentially enhance those tools. So I'm really, really proud of this workshop. I hope that you can join me in watching it. The link to it is down in the description. As I said, I'm really proud of it, and I know that you're going to get a lot out of it. It's a little over an hour, and we just kind of take you through what the science is behind why exalted questions work. We take you through a exercise where we write our exalted questions, and then we do a guided meditation where we implant the questions. It's really a fantastic workshop. I know you're going to enjoy it. I would love to hear your feedback about what this video is about and what kinds of questions you might have. Please comment in the description below. And don't forget to like or subscribe to my channel. I read every comment, and when you like and subscribe to my channel, it helps my channel grow. I just launched May 5th, so I'm a new channel, and I'm just waiting to help people, to share the wealth of information that I've learned in my healing journey these past several years. It's been an incredible journey for me, and I'm still going in the right direction. So I want to help you do the same. Again, I'd also like to celebrate that I am now a certified clinical hypnotherapist. So I'll be taking clients in the near future. Be watching out for that information. Again, if you'd like to consult with me about whether we can work together one-on-one in hypnosis, please write to me, email me, and we can set up a consultation. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking with you.